Hey Schreiner family, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot a short video for you all going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one being content. And so content is everything that you can visually see and read on your website, but it also includes every single photo that you have on here as well. The reason that it also includes these photos is because Google has the capability of seeing what's behind them. All that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded? The reason that's important is because Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as to see what keywords are on your site to make sure that they are able to connect you to the correct consumers that are searching in that Google search bar. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage, and then those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Foundation Repair Topeka. Whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that populates are ads here. Ads can definitely be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but if we do scroll past those, this is what's called the Google Map Packs section. 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And the reason that you might find this interesting is because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. You do want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40% of business. And the way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And with a quick search here, I can see that you guys have the business profile. And so the next step would be to have this be completely optimized. So you would do that by continuously getting those 5-star reviews, making sure this is filled out as completely and accurately as possible. And the most time-consuming but absolutely vital to rank are what's called citations. So all a citation is your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as it is on this profile in your local directories. Some examples of local directories are Facebook, Yelp, but a good rule of thumb would be to go find what each of your competitors has, get those citations for yourself, and then you do want to outdo them, so go get more citations than they have. And that way you can rank in this Google Map Pack section and get your share of that 30 to 40% of business there. And if we scroll down, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. And 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And so I see you are ranking here at the bottom of the first page. It's great that you're on the first page because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. And the majority of this business here will go to the top 3 spots. So the higher up you are, the more business you'll get for yourself. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can take a look at the back end of your website. Your UR and your DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You have 19 and 2.4. What's making up your ratings here are 232 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 32 referring domains. And so all a backlink is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. So there are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these down. And this is important because you want your UR and DR higher than your competitors to be boosted up to the top of that Google search result. And what goes hand in hand with this are what's called keywords. So those keywords, one example was that Foundation Repair Topeka. I recommend those buyer intent ones so that you're getting more quality and qualified leads landing on your site. But these go hand in hand so that you're being boosted to the top for what you would actually want to be found for. And so then you guys have 125 monthly website traffic. We can do this exact same thing for every single competitor that you have. The #1 ranking website for Foundation Repair Topeka was a back page of Got Thrasher. And so what we'd want to do is this is the page that you would want to beat for that keyword. Their back page has 6 and 33, so a lot of this power is coming from their home page here. But we can see that this back page has 32 keywords on it and 110 monthly traffic. So we can see that there's a lot of potential for you all. We can go into this home page of Got Thrasher and all of your competitors, take a look at every single backlink that they have, and then link those to your website as well. Because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you. And then take a look at every single keyword that they have on their site and do separate searches as well to see what they're missing. And so with a really fast search of Topeka foundation repair, we can see that there are hundreds of people searching every single month. Foundation repair Topeka, Kansas, 100. Foundation repair Topeka, 80, 80, 20. And so we'd want to do this for every single variation of how people would search for your services and the areas that you service. And so that way you can be ranking for all those buyer intent keywords, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. And I hope that this short video was valuable for you all. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.